red glass, red wine, or just sparkling white wine?
Oh, whatever takes my fancy.
Okay. Are these water lilies? Yeah. These
Yes,
they are
yes.
type of water lilies.
Yes.
Okay.
They're the water lilies out there.
Over there.
Yeah, you see lots of flowers there later on.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. The bees are busy on that beehive. Can you see?
Oh yeah.
I can see them from this distance.
Very busy, aren't they?
Yeah. I hope they won't make us busy to chase us.
No. I'll be able to have my lemon and honey at night times.
Yeah. True. Wow. There's nothing I love than having bees.
Is that so?
Yes. I love bees. You know, they are just magical in the way they operate.
Oh yes.
Yes. You got worker bees and all sorts, you know, the queen doing its job as well. And they do their job.
Busy. Wonder you say busy as a bee?
Yeah. Busy as a bee. Yeah. So these are British bees. For some of you who've never seen British bees, I believe they sting very bad, but not as bad as the African bee. But all the same, if you are allergic to bee stings, then don't dare come near this place. This is it's a plant that they put on the door for Christmas or something. Is it the same one? Where they make like a wreath out of this?
No, it's not holly, you know.
Oh, it looks more or less.
See Postman Pat?
If Postman Pat has arrived over there. Oh, these bees. I love bees. I love bees and what they give us. Pure, natural, organic honey.
The berries?
Do you eat them?
No,
Oh, the poison?
I don't know. I really don't know.
Would you like to taste one?
No, thank you.
Maybe we should give Ben Fogo.
Yeah, okay.
Ben Fogo and his clan.
Postman's late today.
Yeah. So this is the compost.
Well, this is
Yeah.
yes, Dennis wants to push it up in the head.
Yeah.
See the primroses?
Oh, these are the ones?
Yeah.
They're beautiful. Look at them.
Yeah.
These are primroses, guys. In case you don't know what a primrose, that's what it looks like. There's some beautiful light yellow colored ones over there and some pepperish in yellow. Wow, beautiful. Pink and purple. It's so refreshing to take a walk out here, isn't it?
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
Yeah, really nice today.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed.
Oh, that's a primrose. Okay.
I tell you about those primroses.
Yeah.
They come this time of year,
Uh-huh.
and of course we're coming up to Easter.
Yes.
And my mother,
Yeah.
I'm going back 80 years or more,
Yeah.
when I was 4 or 5, or 6.
Uh-huh.
I remember my mother
Yes.
picking primroses
Mm-hmm.
and putting them in with damp moistened boxes,
Yes.
and they'd post them up to Darlington in north of England
Yeah.
to her cousin,
Yeah.
because she was the she would like to have some for to put on her parents' graves
Okay.
up in Darlington,
Yeah.
and they were a month behind us,
Mm.
colder weather.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, and she did that, and they used to go up one day
Mm-hmm.
and be up in Darlington the next day.
Okay.
Incredible.
Amazing.
You wouldn't do that today.
Yeah. Yeah.
No. No, indeed.
Mm-hmm.
There we are. Can you see my farm where I first
Yeah.
went when I was married over there?
The one just across over there.
Yeah,
Ah, that's the one.
yeah.